Yeah, the bug spray. Ooh, those are certainly cool fireworks. Hey, Luigi. Ooh, sorry. Ooh. Yeah, those are cool fireworks. Tell me about it. Get him stuck. Oh, hey, Sonic. Well, those are cool fireworks. Well, oh my god, that is so awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Well, those are cool. Gang's over here. Yeah, can you see the fireworks? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, Mamma Mia. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it would be cooler if we were up front, but this is good enough. I hate these mosquitoes. Tell me about it. Oh my god, these are pretty cool. Oh, looks like you got a mosquito bite. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Dude, are you really playing on your Switch right now? Hey, what's wrong with that? I want to play video games. But the fireworks. Forget about the fireworks. Well, they look cool, but I want to play this. Frankie, you're gonna do this soon?
Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Well, guess you're seeing the cool fireworks.
Don't care. I just can't believe we got to see these cool fireworks.
Anyone told me about it. It's very cool. Too bad we can't see them up front.
Happy 4th of July, everybody!
Oh yeah, happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July! Happy 4th of July! Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July, everybody. This might be posted late or before the 4th of July. But if it's posted before the 4th of July, forgive me, okay?
Alright, so let's keep on watching. Yeah. I'm not. I'm gonna keep on playing some Cuphead.
You're gonna rage.
Yeah, even Frank's better than you.
I know, he's a pro at the game.
No, he isn't. Are you?
Well, I'm not pro, but I'm getting used to the bosses.
Yeah. See, I told you guys. Okay, I'm gonna play.
Oh well. Keep on missing the cool fireworks. This is awesome.
Tell me about it. Oh, Frank, your shoe's in the way.
Sorry. Oh, you're a cricket? Oh, forget about the cricket. Man, look at all those fireworks! That's awesome!
Wow, okay, that's pretty cool. Forget Cuphead. Look at this! What the heck?
This is amazing! This is awesome! Wow, I'm speechless! Look at this! Look at this! Whoa! My lord! That was pretty amazing. I gotta admit, that was pretty cool. Oh god, that was pretty cool! Oh my god, they're done! Oh my god, come on. Oh my god, they're done. Okay, it's all done, they're finished. Come on guys, let's go. That was awesome. Okay, we'll split it on the way. Come on, it's time to go home. Yeah. Come on guys. Come on, let's go. Okay, that was pretty awesome, guys.
Oh yeah, tell me about it.
That was awesome.
Yeah, I can't believe we go see the fireworks. Sure, it's not close up. Hopefully someday when Frank grows up.
Yeah, when Frank probably grows up to be an adult, he could probably take us to go see the fireworks at front. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, you could. Yeah, I could.
Oh my gosh, that was awesome, guys. I just can't believe it. Now we're heading going home, and yeah.
I'm glad I came, to be honest.
Yeah, me too. I'm so glad I came.
Pretty sure we're all glad we came.
Yeah, that was so awesome. I can't believe I played Cuphead. Forget Cuphead. What have we told you, Cat Toad? Hey, shut up. Sorry. Didn't know. Jeez.
Alright, so we're going back home. We'll go back to normal, and yeah.
Okay. So what are you gonna do at home? To be honest, we have no idea. Yeah. Things will probably go back to normal now. Yeah. Frank makes videos and tries to come up with ideas for the Pushy Adventures. Yeah, and this was the awesomest one. I mean, this wasn't really a plush adventure. This was just a firework watch, because it is the 4th of July. Yeah. Yeah, things will probably go back to normal now.